Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to your iPhone. So first you need to download a font manager. There are several apps you could use, but today I'm going to use iFont. The iFont app is available in the iTunes store for free, so just install it and then we are ready to go. Once you open the app, just read through if you like and then select Start Using Font. Next, you need to download the font. I'm going to download this font here because it is free, but you could download any font you like. If you are also wanting to use this font, I'll leave a link to it in the description. So click Download and download again. When this dialog box appears, click Download. Open iFont and select Import. Tap on the font you just downloaded and select Import to iFont. Find the fonts you want and then select Install. Click on Allow, then click on Close. Now open your Settings app. You should see the option Profile Downloaded and then click on that. You should see the font you want to install and then click on Install. You should now see Profile installed, so click on Done. So now your font is installed. You should be able to see it in the iFonts app Installed Fonts and in any other app that lets you use fonts such as Cricut Design Space. If this video has helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't for more design tutorials and follow me on Instagram for more crafty videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.